just want the candy. Day 7 of the Timothy Herrington murder trial has come to an end in Oxford. Today, the prosecution finished calling witnesses to the stand. Herrington is on trial for the 2022 death of Ole Miss student Jimmy J. Lee. WTVA's Wayne Herford has been following this trial since it started. He's joining us live in the studio tonight with just some of tonight's testimony. Wayne.
That's right, Emily. Oxford's police chief was the prosecution's last witness today. But now it is time for the defense to try and convince the jury that Timothy Herrington is an innocent man. Oxford Police Department Chief Jeff McCutcheon talked about Timothy Herrington and Jay Lee having a couple of sexual encounters between 4:30 and 7:28 on the morning, the day of the alleged murder. McCutcheon also testified there were many text conversations between the two, including one where Jay Lee told Herrington to clean up after he had sex for the last time.
Yes, Jay Lee tells him that he left a sample on his floor and he needed to clean it up. That was an obvious statement made.
And what about that would concern you about the evidentiary value of any kind of biological evidence that may be in Tim Herrington's apartment?
That it's been cleaned.
The Oxford police chief was also questioned about a box truck Herrington was seen driving after the alleged crime. McCutcheon mentioned that blankets were found in the box truck 3 weeks later, but he admitted there were others who had access to the white truck. McCutcheon also got emotional at one point on the stand.
We've been looking for Jay Lee's body for 2 years, and we're not going to stop till we find it. And I can guarantee you that.
Laura Reed was one of the people the defense called to the stand. She said she saw Herrington use the truck in question many times. In fact, she said she talked to him about a possible moving job for her on July 7, 2022, the day before the alleged murder took place. Then there was talk of a wheelbarrow and shovels that his father said he owned that were inside the family's garage at their home in Grenada.
Do you recall the date that a search warrant was executed on your residence?
I do.
You remember what that date was?
That date was, I believe, the 26th of July.
Okay. Had you done anything to alter the character of the shovels or the wheelbarrow or any contents of the house in any way, shape, form, or fashion prior to the time that they executed the search warrant?
No.
The defense maintains tonight that without Lee's body, prosecutors do not have a case against Herrington. Reporting live in the studio, Wayne Herford, WTVA 9 News.
Some crooks are on the run tonight after they broke into several Coke machines in North Mississippi.